What's up, Helix friends, Helix family, Helix colleagues, Helix comrades, Helix help? My name's Aridonis. It's come across my decks, my DJ decks, that there's a 3.1 update for our friend, the Helix. I have this 339. This is what the 3.0.1 or whatever last update was, sounds like. Pop over to my HX edit, where there's a weird bug. I can't see any of the newer blocks, like the Princess amp or anything like that. Hoping that this gets fixed in this update that I'm about to do. But apparently this new update sounds better because of like oversampling. So we're going to play a bit, and I'm going to play a little more after the update and see if the same preset sounds better, or worse, or the same. .339. There was a weird buzzing noise there. It might be just how I'm recording it. Maybe it didn't show up. Maybe it was just in my speakers. Maybe I'm finally going crazy. Maybe that's it. Pour one out for my sanity. Yeah, let's update this Helix. What do we got? We got a new amp. It's like a RockerVerb or whatever. We got rats. We got tape. We got a new spring reverb, which, if you can't tell by my like go-to patch, is a thing that I'm into. So let's try that. Create a backup. Okay, fine. Yeah, back up the thing. Put it wherever. Just backing up on my presets. I don't have that many. I can't play while I do that. So, what's up? Totally dropped the ball. How did you lose all these vaccines? How are we not all vaccinated yet? In the U.S. is like, take care of everything ourselves, Get tribal. No, that's a bad idea. We're Lord of the Flies. We know how that goes. Why they make us read Lord of the Flies in elementary school, or middle school, or high school, or whenever they made us read it, so that it's burned into us that, hey, don't rock the boat, don't try and topple the government, or else we're gonna end up in some sort of a hellscape, and the mean bully fat kid is gonna be in charge. But I mean, is that not what Rob Ford and the Ford dynasty? Backup completed successfully. About what's going on in this whole update here. Yes, a big amp, RockerVerb 100. Alter the models at lower settings. The drive nodes, tape works, smoother transition into distortion. That's cool. If you've ever used a RockerVerb 100, you kind of gotta pin that guy to kind of get a little bit of juice out of it. What else we got? Ratatouille. Like, I'm not really much of a rat guy. But, I'm sorry, I'm reading and talking at the same time. Just that particular flavor of distortion never really won me over. Retro reel. This I'm excited by. Kind of a lo-fi. The lo-fi beats crowd are really going to love this one. Lo-fi saturation. That's cool. I like that. It's kind of like a Strymon Deco type vibe. Euclidean delay. Oh, something for the nerds. Look at this. I don't know much about Euclidean stuff. I just know it's like strange rhythms. Like using different patterns that are different lengths. It's like something the ambient crowd gets all hard for. Dynamic Hall. Lots of EQ going on there. Ooh. Set the room size. It actually changes the algorithm. That's kind of cool. So when you actually, so it's actually using essentially a different reverb when you switch. That's dope. Hot Springs. This is the one I was excited for. Anything with a drip knob, you know? 2 clicks and it sounds good. Not really. Customizable stomp switches. Oh, okay, yeah, that's for the little baby Helixes. Tuner trails. Oh, your reverb will trail out while you're switching to your tuner. Very nice. Very nice. How we doing? How we doing on this update? 61%. Jeez, this is hefty, I guess. Or does my computer suck? 2 good pieces of news. 1, I remembered to turn my light on. So that's cool. The other one is that the thing's done. So using Yonder guitar, let's try and make some, let's hear these new sounds. Let's just get a fresh preset going. Do. Fresh. Ooh. That sound of dry. Let's hear this new amp. What do they call it? The Mandarin Rocker. Of course it is not in the list because maybe it doesn't have a matching cab. HX edit is broken. We knew that. We knew that from the start. This video is a nightmare. Okay. I reinstalled HX edit so that I can see the new stuff. I did install the updates. Oh, HX edit needs to be updated. See, we knew about that. This is whack what I'm going through right now. But this is just updating stuff, guys. This is just the way the cookie crumbles, unfortunately. There we go. I'm a little bit more into what's going on here. There we go. Ba-ba-ba. Mandarin Rocker. There it is. Ooh, she's drivey. And there's no cab on it because I'm stupid. Sick. Cool. Alright. I actually like that. So that sounds good. But it sounds like better than normal Helix good. So let's load up the Princess. And heck with 110 cabs. Let's go with a 112 cab. Much quieter beast. Wow, that's actually a lot clearer. That's saucy. Okay, I'm gonna load up my old preset. Kill the trem. Yo. That resampling biz is legit. Whatever they did, I am for it. Do that more. Let's try out that new spring reverb, because that's my deal. What's it called? Hot Springs. And all my delays are off. That's cool. So there's the number of springs you can have. Maximum springs. Leave it on medium for now. Oh, that's how much drip there is. This is the spring count. So you can have 2.8 springs. Drop my pick. We're finger picking. Finger picking rest of the video. That sounds quite good. I don't hate that. I don't hate that. Where my mix at? Let's mix it up. Yo. That's quite delicious. Okay, I'm gonna roll back to a new preset because that's what we're going for. Oh, that's no. Yeah, whatever. Cool. Let's sauce up one of those amps. Yeah, let's just stick with that. Yeah, let's do like a J45. Greenback J45, cool, whatever. Let's try out that new rat. See if we can win me over on rats. The Ratatouille. Oh yeah, there it is. That's rats. That's what we know. Yeah. Yeah, that's a rat. It doesn't suck though. It buzzes a lot. But it doesn't suck. It makes my 339 sound much, much more hardcore than it is. He's okay. I don't know that I'll use it very much because like I've said probably 40 times now, it is not my vibe. But, you know, it is a good example of what a Proco rat pedal is. Alright, Euclidean delay, how do I figure you out? So, let's just high cut, trails, low cut, rotate, fill. Okay, let's just start turning knobs up. And we'll just start arpeggiating. Arpeggiate the whole gang. Feedback's at 0. Step time. You gotta play good. You gotta play good if you're gonna use this delay. No goofing around. That's kind of neato. Let's where's this tape thing gonna live? You think under modulation? Retro reel. That's what it was called. Let's go to a clean amp because I wanna sauce up the saturation a bit. Let's just go to a twin or something. Oh yeah, you get a little bit more idea what's going on now. Wow, flutter. Ooh. That's like a whole friggin' pedal, right? Like a whole pedal board in that pedal. Let's get it a touch more usable. Get that flutter down. Wish I still had a pick. Take a bit of a low cut, a bit of a high cut, and then it's like, yes, I do play lo-fi guitar. Let me play you some ninth chords. Man, this is like the first album Unknown Mortal Orchestra guitar sound. I'm going to use this a lot. I'm going to use that pedal so much. And I'm going to use this new Hot Springs so much. It's like, this is what I love about the Helix, is they're just like, you thought we were done? Idiot. You thought, you big dummy, you thought we were just going to leave you out in the cold? That's like a whole ass vibe in like just the new stuff they added. Where's the? Is that something else I missed? Oh, the dynamic hall reverb. Yeah, who cares? But whatever, we'll give it a shot. Oh. Oh. Pop that room up a bit. Oh. You guys have learned by now I only have like 2 or 3 guitar tricks. What if I used the whole signal? Let's take these little EQ moves off. Ooh, yeah. Slightly higher fidelity, eh? As well. I apologize for writing it off with the who cares comment. That was wrong. But damn. And everything's like so clear right now. I am yeah, this is a good update. Good job, Line 6. Thank you for adding another $300 in value. They basically just put a Strymon Deco in there. And like another spring reverb and some delay I'm never going to use and some amp I'm never going to use. But they put like another couple $100 worth of value into something I paid for like years ago at this point. Big respect. Big respect. So this is going to be like a half-hour video now. Because I kind of got carried away with the... Oh, it's so funny. It's taking so long to update. But yeah, it was worth it. WERF. Worth it. Thanks for watching. I've been Aridonis. I'm going to try to do more videos like this where I just do Line 6 stuff. Maybe I'll do some like synthesizer stuff if you like synthesizer stuff. Maybe I'll just play some songs. Whatever. I'll do whatever. I got a new song coming out. Follow me on Spotify. Links in the thing. Thanks, guys.